guys,
my name is Gaby.
and my name is Ellie.
So today,
We want to make a tutorial about
how to make a simple breakfast to make your morning easier.
yes.
Do you want to know how to make it? Don't go anywhere and
Keep watching.
Prepare all ingredients: bread, eggs,
Inside my bones, it goes electric wavy when I turn it on.
sausage,
My city, off from my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we're
and
in
cheese.
our zone. I got that
And also, we have the tools. There are a frying pan, toothpick, the grater,
and knife. Let's go. And also we have a butter. First, fry the sausage until cooked using the butter.
ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel the good, good
Second, cut all the edges of bread.
all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. I can't stop the feeling, yeah. So keep dancing. Oh, yeah, yeah. I can't stop the. 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 Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel the good, good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. Everybody say. I can't stop the feeling. In my body. Break it down. Got this feeling in my body. Can't stop the feeling.
next, combine the edge of bread using the toothpick. After that, fry the bread until brownish. So, this is it. Next, cut the sausage and make it like the heart. And the last, fry the sausage and also the egg in the sausage.